on this cranial vault. Okay, so we have seen that this is made up of the bones here, and then this is the floor part that we have seen, right? You can actually call this will be the region of the anterior frontal fossa, right? Middle cranial fossa. So this is anterior cranial. Here you get the middle cranial fossa, and then here you get the posterior cranial fossa. You have read it, right? So sir, this is the part of the cerebrum. Now you can see this white structure, this membranous structure. So this is a fold of the meninges referred to as very good, the falx cerebri. Now if you go behind this, we are not going into the very detail of these structures, will come later on. Now here you are getting, okay, what is this? Yes sir, this is the cerebellum, because this is my occipital bone. So if this is entirely my occipital bone, so this is the cerebellum and this is the occipital lobe of the cerebrum, separated from each other by this fold of the meninges. This is the tentorium cerebelli. This one is the tentorium, because tentorium separates the occipital lobe of the cerebrum from the cerebellum. Okay, so this is actually attached to this bony prominence here. What is this bony prominence? Yes sir, the bony prominence. The bony prominence is yes, this is the internal occipital protuberance. So above the so basically at the level of the internal occipital protuberance, we get this attachment of the tentorium cerebelli. Above it is the occipital lobe of the cerebrum. Below it is the cerebellum. What is this anterior structure? Sir, anterior structure, this is the midbrain, this is the pons, and then it continues as the medulla oblongata, which will continue through, this is basically the spinal cord. Okay, this is basically the spinal cord. Clear? So this is about the region which we are going to now. দুটো জিনিস আমি বলে রেখে দিই আগে থেকে যে স্যার দিস ইজ বেসিক্যালি আ পার্ট অফ দ্য হোয়াইট ম্যাটার হুইচ উই রেফার টু অ্যাজ দ্য কর্পাস ক্যালোজাম. ওকে, this is known as the corpus callosum. We'll deal with this when you are going into the brain part. We're not going to the very detail of it.